Today we are going to look at a multi-step word problem and focus on how to break our word problem into 2 steps. Let's take a look at an example. Angelo picked 190 oranges off his orange tree. He gave 88 oranges away to his friends. The next day, Angelo picked 35 more oranges off the tree. How many oranges does Angelo have now? There is a hidden question in this word problem that must be solved before you can find the answer to the question that is stated in the problem. Let's see if we can find the hidden question. Let's go ahead and reread our problem and think, what could the hidden question be? Angelo picked 190 oranges off his orange tree. He gave 88 oranges away to his friends. The next day, Angelo picked 35 more oranges off the tree. What do you think that the hidden question could be? If you said our hidden question could be, Angelo picked 190 oranges off his orange tree. He gave 88 oranges away to his friends. You are correct. He did these actions first. So this is going to be our step 1 to our problem. We have to find this answer before we can solve for step 2. Let's take a closer look at step 1. We found that Angelo picked 190 oranges off his orange tree. He gave 88 oranges away to his friends. Do you think we are going to add or subtract to get our answer? If you said subtract, you are correct because Angelo gave away oranges. Let's set up our problem. We have 190 minus 88. I know that I cannot take 8 ones away from 0, so I must regroup. I'm going to take away a stick of 10, leaving me with 8 sticks of 10, and I'm going to move that stick of 10 to my ones, giving me 10 ones. Now I have 10 minus 8, which gives me 2. 8 minus 8 gives me 0. 1 minus 0 gives me 1, leaving me with a total of 102. This is the answer to step 1. We are going to use this to find the answer to the question in step 2. So now that we have found step 1, let's take a closer look at step 2. We have the next day, Angelo picked 35 more oranges off the tree. How many oranges does Angelo have now? Am I going to add or subtract 35 from my step 1 answer? If you said add, you are correct because he picked more oranges off the tree. Let's set up our problem. So now we're going to use 102, the answer from our hidden question in step 1, to find the answer to step 2 and answer the given question of how many oranges does Angelo have now. So we have 102 plus 35. If I look at my ones, I know that 2 plus 5 gives me 7. I know that 0 plus 3 gives me 3. And 1 plus 0 gives me 1, leaving me with an answer of 137. Angelo has 137 oranges now. This is the final answer to this multi-step word problem because 190 minus 88 plus 35 gives us a total of 137. Here's a little tip. When solving multi-step word problems, stop and think, what is the hidden question? Or what could step 1 be that I need to solve before moving to step 2? Always make sure to double check your answer, making sure that it makes sense.